Hello and welcome to another video where we yet again bring you a sneak peek into the grand delivery event organized by a car manufacturer. This time around, it's the Skoda Kushaq that has taken the center stage. In this video, we bring you the grand launch in the mega delivery event organized by Tafe Access Showroom located in Bangalore. As the term Kushaq means king in Sanskrit, the theme for the launch was all about the welcome of the king to our Indian roads and also to make sure that all the customers who are taking the deliveries get the feeling of an emperor on the road. Therefore, the entire theme was set in a similar manner and the event also featured the appearance of actor Achyut Kumar, MLA Bhairathi Suresh and others. After lighting the lamp, the car was revealed to the audience. Here are some glimpses from the launch event. Soon after the launch, Mr. Achyut Kumar took the Kushaq out for a spin to experience the vehicle for the very first time. Later, the initial customers who had booked the Kushaq received honors from Tafe Access Showroom located on St. Mark's Road, followed by the key handover and a royal delivery ceremony to each customer. Soon after, all the Kushaqs lined up in front of the showroom for a group photo and the customers happily headed home with their brand new Kushaqs. With various engine and gearbox options on offer, Skoda Kushaq is definitely going to have a lot of attention in the Indian market. What's your thought about the Skoda Kushaq? Let us know down in the comment section below. If you are also interested in checking out this vehicle and booking one of them from Bangalore, then you can definitely contact the Tafe Access Showroom located on St. Mark's Road, or you can directly call Mr. Damodhar sir, who will help you in the entire process of booking a Skoda car. If you have liked the content, then please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button so that we can create more such content. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. We'll see you in the next one.